I know. All right, don't put it on his head though, okay? You're gonna give him a blanket? Why are you giving him a blanket?
I don't need a blanket. I need one.
You don't need one?
No, I don't need one.
Oh, that was nice. You give him your pillows too?
With a pillow. Hello?
Not on his face.
We can't whip his head up.
Oh, you're trying to put his head up?
Yeah.
Oh. He's got his head up now. Oh, he did. Yeah, I'll help you. Hey, Dustin, come here. Okay, Aiden, ready? 1, 2, 3, go ahead. Aw, that was nice, huh?
Was. You like that.
Are you taking care of your brother?
It was.
Aww.
It was nice. So I don't mind.